Hello everybody, Namaskar, Namaste. I'm on my way to AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 424 at Presidency School, Bilikahali. This is the second session that is happening in the Presidency group of schools, and I'm really eagerly looking forward to meet all my dear soldiers at Presidency School at Bilikahali. I appreciate once more the socially responsible management. I appreciate once more the Director of Academics of the Presidency Group of Schools, Dr. Angelo Michael de Cruz, for showing so much of support to spread this awareness among the students of their school. So without any ado, let's proceed to Presidency School, Bilikahali for AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 424 and the second campaign or the second session at the Presidency Group of Schools in Bangalore. Very worried in the morning that it will rain because it was happening in the outdoors.
Okay.
Where God was so kind.
All the faculties and coordinators, all the three are coordinators.
Accompanied by Mr. Faculty, classmates was great. Has arrived at the auditorium. Kindly put your hands together. No noise, please. A marine engineer. He has started working for the betterment of the youth of today. To know more about Sir, we have a video for you. I request.
The change maker of the society. 60,000 in TV, films and theatre in Bengali, Hindi and English. And hello everyone, he is a marine engineer who served for ExxonMobil.
We are truly honored to have served. Thank you, sir.
Wow, sir is arranged sir to go all along to all the presidency schools. So I welcome. I also thank Raghunaji for his initiative. It's a big cause and getting an appreciation from Dalai Lama.
What should they call me?
Please call him Bobby Bhaiya or Bobby Dada, not sir. Not sir.
Okay. Thank you, brother. So we go ahead with one song. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Because people who like me, people who love me, they are calling Bobby Dada or Bobby Bhaiya. With the introduction video was up, and Nam also gave an introduction, and I was watching some experiments and some of you pointed out that इतना लंबा expression already school in the metro city here in Bangalore, Mumbai or Delhi, not only in a major school where privileged boys and girls study. This has happened in a school in maybe in a rural place, in a village, where the machiras, the farmers, the fishermen, their boys, their sons, their daughters study. What I got from your school, from the director was, okay Bobby, we want to come down to your school. How much do you charge? I say that I don't charge. I do it free of cost. मम्मी पापा तुम लोग के लिए काम करता है, पैसा मांगता है, अपना मान के करता है. The very reason I'm asking you to call me Dada, Bhaiya is because of that. हम भी कहीं ना कहीं तुमको अपना मान लें. Let कौन करता है आज की तारीख में बिना पैसों का काम कोई करता है? हम करते हैं. हम करते हैं. So you can take two options within this adda. This is not a Gyan Sabha, this is adda. Adda मतलब आप भी हमसे बातें कीजिए, हम भी आपसे बातें करेंगे. This is adda number 424. A अड्डा नंबर ना ये लोग हमको पूरा एकदम something happened and I could understand. I was feeling happy inside the ranks. Stranger 2 घंटे पहले, जैसे I'm a stranger to you now, 2 घंटे बाद क्या हुआ that they are not leaving me. Let's see if it happens here also. I can't force my belief on you, can I? Just because I believe this, just because हम ये नहीं खाते, हम ये नहीं करते, हम ये नहीं बोलते, I can't force you to believe that also, can I? I can't force you. You are an independent person. You can take your own ways. Second option you can take, which will make me happy. Let's see if you take the second option is दादा की बात एक बार सुने तो सही, और सिर्फ सुनने का नहीं, जिंदगी में इस्तेमाल करें तो सही. Only then. So I go to that shop and tell that shop की दुकान की मालिक या मालकिन जो भी है कि दुकान बंद कर दीजिए. ये लड़का, ये लोग ऐसे ही एजुकेटेड हैं. ऐसे ही ये लोग बायोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं, बॉडी का ऑर्गन्स पढ़ते हैं, फंक्शंस पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन इसको जिंदगी में क्या नहीं करते, इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. राइट? Who shouted इस्तेमाल करना? Who was it? What's your name? बुद्धि सरकता जाए कहाँ पर आ गया. ये लोग बुद्धि का, विद्या का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. मम्मी पापा लाखों करोड़ों खर्चा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये लोग एजुकेटेड गधा बनता जा रहा है, गधी बन जा रहा है. Why गधा? Why गधी? Because the topic doesn't have sense. वो ऐसे ही बनता है क्योंकि, understand, क्योंकि he's doing a business. He's doing a business. बीवी बच्चों को खाने को मिलता है. I can't go to a shop just because I'm a social activist, social worker, and बोलेंगे कि दुकान बंद कर दीजिए, वो दुकान बंद नहीं करेगा. वो उनको 2 रीजन दिखाएगा. What is what? The paper is what? He's trying to tell me is that he is not a criminal. He is not a criminal. वो कोई गैर कानूनी काम नहीं करता. So first reason is he is not a criminal. Umar. Okay. Umar के लिए तालियां बजाएं. जो भी है, he is not forcing anyone. Even back. So very important. So हम लोग का उंगली जाता है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ, हम लोग का उंगली जाता है वो खराब लड़का, वो खराब लड़की, उसने मुझे सिखाया, उसने मुझे खिलाया, हमको कुछ पता नहीं था. हाँ, उंगली जाता है वो सिगरेट की दुकान की तरफ, उंगली जाता है दारू की दुकान की तरफ, उंगली हर तरफ जाता है, लेकिन उंगली किधर आना है? किधर आना है? You are studying the respiratory system, who are studying everything, you know, काफी लिवर है, lungs है, उसको इस्तेमाल करके you people only who are not interested will go to that cigarette shop, to the alcohol shop, to that vaping, to that hookah, and you people only. इसीलिए समाज का ऐसा हालत है. इस्तेमाल करना रॉकेट साइंस है क्या? बुद्धि और विद्या का इस्तेमाल करना रॉकेट साइंस. This is the basic thing that differentiates you between an इंसान and रास्ते का कुत्ता. तब सीरियसली होगी जब तुम्हारा फैमिली का कोई ऐसे ही, we are in a very bad condition there. Very bad condition. The reason that needs to be, these things needs to be addressed. Because the things that we are seeing, you are seeing, I am in big touch with the West Bengal police and the CID department. Something very dark is happening on these Instagram and social networking sites, and you people are the prey. Prey समझते हो? शिकार. Prey. We are coming to that. Very dangerous situation where cigarettes, alcohol, these are taking the back seat. जितना कि नितिन ये drug of viewing, drug of being subscribed, drug of being followed, जितना एक इंसान की यहाँ पे घुस गया. Cigarettes and alcohol very normal right from the childhood. हाँ या ना बोलो? हाँ. जो ना बोले good, you are in the very smaller minority. जो ना बोले. But the majority is this. वो कैसे समझेगा कि हाँ this is a fatal drug that is being cornered by boys who has taken this drug up, taken this poison up most foolishly to prove themselves God knows what. उन लोग के लिए खुशखबरी, क्या खुशखबरी? और जो जूनियर्स है, we live by examples, right? हम लोग एग्जाम्पल से लिव करते हैं. हम लोग के आसपास इवन इन द फैमिलीज देयर इज अ गुड एग्जाम्पल एंड बैड एग्जाम्पल. लेकिन जब तक तुमको अवेयर ना किया जाए कि कौन सा गुड है कौन सा बैड है, यू विल नॉट नो व्हाट टू फॉलो, व्हिच एग्जाम्पल टू फॉलो. भले ही कैंसर हो जाए, भले ही ट्रैकिया बर्बाद हो जाए, व्यूज नहीं. तो वो सिगरेट में सपोज सिगरेट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, इजीली अवेलेबल प्रेवलेंट. वो सिगरेट में 4,500 chemicals. What is the word I say? What is the word I say? My point is, why should you need chemicals consciously inside your body? I tell you. Let me come to the wrong reason. To tell you that wrong reason, you have to understand two words. One is masculinity and one is feminism. किसी भी मोमेंट में हो तो masculinity and feminism का अगर definition किया जाए, these are the strong words that tell you to be strong, so strong, so that you are not dependent on the other person. Dependent on somebody, will you be equal? You'll always be the lesser. How can you be equal if you corrupt this best gift? भगवान ने, अल्लाह ने, वाहिगुरु ने, गॉड ने, body is the best उपहार, the best gift that we receive from the Almighty. He doesn't tell you to corrupt this, but problem is that एक लड़का जैसे ही बड़ा होता जाता है, उसके दिमाग में जैसे हम तुमको बोले, जैसे उसको हमने बोला, you are the most important member of the society, young boy, young girls, because आज से 10 साल बाद you are going to make the society little. तुम जैसे बनोगे, आज से 10 साल 15 साल बाद तुम्हारे हाथ में पावर होगा, तुम्हारे हाथ में पैसा होगा, तुम्हारे हाथ में डेजिग्नेशन में, you spread this. Masculinity, major problem with the boys is जैसे ही बड़ा होता जाता है, हम लोग क्यों बड़े हुए हैं, मतलब हमको प्रूव करना है, how to prove हम लोग grown up हो गए हैं, chemical system. Masculinity. How to prove that you are grown up? Huh? String. Yes, very important answer.
Take care of the family.
What's your name? Come here. I was still very disappointed when suddenly I found somebody who can be a flag bearer of the correct, powerful youth of the nation. Mrinal, right? Mrinal said, how to prove to the world that you have grown up? His answer was,
To take care of your family.
मम्मी पापा, माँ बाबा, mom, dad. जैसे बड़े होंगे ना, you'll understand these are the only two unconditional people there. And adding to that, I have another unconditional people who have entered your life. हमको कुछ नहीं मांगता है. So अगर prove करना है कि you have grown up, लंबे हो गए हो, बड़े हो गए हो, stand beside your parents and tell to the world, हम लंबे चौड़े क्यों हुए पता है? I want to take care of all of you all. I want to मेंबर्स लोग को सही रास्ता दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. हमको भी पता है, उन लोग को भी पता है. तो मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है तुमको सही रास्ता और रोशनी की तरफ ले जाने का. एंड उन लोग का मिशन है ऑपोजिट, तुमको वो डार्कनेस की तरफ, ब्लैक होल की तरफ खींचने का. It's a sad state, sorry state for the girls and women. They have taken up using and smoking like never before. A girl. Down in my country. How can you be equal if you follow and copy the mistakes of the others? Can you be equal? Masculinity doesn't telling you to copy the mistakes of the others. You can never be equal. अगर equal भी करना है तो do good things through your studies, through अपना talent जो भी है. It will overflow, right? Similarly, lungs, the other members of the body. It has alveoli, small pores. Blood becomes, heart attack. My question is, why do you need to make your heart beat? Why do you need to block your lungs? For why? For the wrong reasons of masculinity? For the wrong reasons of feminism? मिसयूज करना पड़ेगा. हमको ये सब करना है ना, तो हमको सिर्फ ये करना पड़ेगा. पैरों पे आपके सब कुछ गिर जाएगा. बोलेगा हाँ बॉबी दादा, बॉबी भैया, सर सब कुछ है. आई डोंट टच. पार्टी में तो सर. और ऊपर से तुम घर से ही ये देखते आ रहे हो. तो ये धुआं है, धुआं है, चीज है, तार है. योर मेंटल हेल्थ ऑल्सो. जब इंसान रास्ते का कुत्ता बनता जाता है, उसका मेंटल हेल्थ बर्बादी की तरफ जाता है. So once your age goes, your career goes, with a sick body and sick mind, will you be able to work properly? So your career goes. And which is the next word that you have to, I want you to shout out the loudest. Gali, galoch, slangs, abuses. This has become so normal, so normal. तुम लोग तो भी बड़े हो गए हो. You hear the tongue of the language of a small child. It's so dirty. कौन कर रहा है? तुम लोग कर रहे हो disservice to the society. I wake up and I go to sleep with this in mind, that till I'm awake, till I'm alive, till my last breath, I'll only spread good things, and only good things, because that makes me a socially responsible person, that makes my life worthy and meaningful. It's our mission, it's my mission. तो ये सिगरेट की खुशखबरी हमने दे दिया, 4,500 केमिकल एंड टार की खुशखबरी दे दिया. इसके बाद भी somebody would want to put tar inside the lungs through vaping, through cigarette, through hookahs, go ahead, what to do? One word, age, बाकी सब will follow. With a good age, you will fight for a good career, and with that your family will be bright, happy and shining. So cigarette की शॉप से निकल के हम जाएंगे गाड़ी में दुकान में, alcohol shop. Let me tell you what alcohol is. I'll not be surprised if people over here already started consuming alcohol. Not be surprised at all. A, because it is easily available, easily prevalent in the household itself. आगे हाथ बढ़ा, हाथ पकड़, बुढ़ी हो गई क्या? हाथ में दर्द है, stand. आद्या, A-D-Y, A-D-Y. Can you give a big hand to Adya, please? जब से मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा काटा, तब से all attention on me. अच्छा आद्या कौन डांटता है? जो कौन डांटता है? जो प्यार करते हुए नहीं तो आद्या सुने ना सुने, ये सो गया, उसने ये नहीं सुन रहा है, वो बात कर रहा है, हमको क्या जाता है? ये जो पिन पॉइंट करके सबको बोल रहा है आद्या कि मेरा बात सुन. You have to understand, बाबा, you are not a little KG class girl. दादा at the end of the day उसको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, लेकिन at the end of the अड्डा, if Adya decides, if Nitin decides, if Umar decides that I'm not going to that cigarette shop, alcohol shop, vaping नहीं करेंगे, ये सब chemicals नहीं decide, these are my multi-million-dollar check from Presidency School. हम इतना ही चाहते हैं कि तुम सबसे पैसा मांगते हैं, हम शॉप. Can we give a big hand to Ibad, please? कैसे लोग? वही होता है, exactly वही होता है, exactly वही होता है. दारू अंदर जाता है. The first organ it hits is your liver. The outer lining gets अभी आज घर में जाके बायोलॉजी बुक ओपन करके के बाद लिवर का फंक्शंस पढ़ो। पढ़ने का नहीं, इस्तेमाल करो। इस्तेमाल करना मतलब यू अंडरस्टैंड, अरे यार ये डेडली फंक्शंस है। माय फेमिनिज्म, टू शो माय फ्रीडम, टू शो फ्रेंडशिप, टू डू पार्टीज, टू शो दुख। बहुत सारे लोग जो है ना दुख भुलाने के लिए भी, अरे यार जीवन के साथ फाइट करने के लिए यू हैव टू कीप दिस फिट और अनफिट। तुम लोग एवेंजर्स भी नहीं हो, डीसीयू भी नहीं हो, यू आर नॉट सुपर ह्यूमन, यू आर मेड अप ऑफ ब्लड सेल्स, मसल्स, टिश्यूज, बाल। इंसान तुम्हारा जो दिमाग से सीबीएसई, आईसीएसई, मम्मी पापा का पैसा या तुम्हारा पैसा, डेजिग्नेशन, पावर, गुड लुक्स, पॉपुलैरिटी कुछ सेव नहीं करेगा तुमको if this gets corrupted. Everything will go to the doctors and you will go to dear God. और तुम्हारे साथ so alcohol, thinking that it can be an incident in Bangalore also, it can be an incident in Mumbai also, it can be an incident in Delhi also. 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. अरे life is so beautiful यार अभी तक. Parents are doing everything for you all. You all need not study 24 hours. ना हम वो भी नहीं बोल रहे. इंसान है ना हम लोग तो रात होगा आपको. I stand as an example in front of you. सीना ठोक के हम बोल रहे हैं. I stand in front of as an example. मेरे पार्टी में आओ, मेरे दुर्गा पूजा में आओ. You are invited. There is no alcohol. There is no poison. She will never be able to hug her son anymore. She will never be able to feed her son anymore. She will never be able to dream through her son's eyes anymore. Same with Nidhi's mother. Weapons in your hand. One is independence and the other one is to spread this awareness. देखो हम घर में बैठे हैं क्या? हम घर में बैठे हैं क्या? Because I don't smoke, I don't booze, I don't use slang language. हम घर में बैठे नहीं, हम दूर दूर तक कहाँ जा रहे हैं? ये तो इंडिया के अंदर. So you also do it. You spread it in your ways. Not call Adya up on the stage, please. Adya, come up on the stage. We join hands together, and by joining, Adya becomes the first soldier. Become the खाए नहीं हो क्या? आवाज निकाल. You become the first soldier of Adda number 424, right? Against harmful popular trends. सब एक साथ once more. Fight against harmful popular trends. So this define trend is a instinct within a human being is deep-seated instinct. हम लोग animal से human being बने बहुत बुरे. बिना question करके, बिना reason करके. वो खा रहा है, हम भी खाएगा. वो बोल रहा है, हम भी बोलेगा. वो जा रहा है, हम भी जाएंगे. वो इसको खराब बोल रहा है, हम भी खराब बोल रहे हैं. वो पता नहीं है वो कौन है. समझ रहा है? वो इसको खराब बोल रहा है, उसको गाली दे रहा है, हम भी गाली दे रहे हैं. मजे में ठीक है. But the problem lies when a boy, when a girl, in order to get views and subscriptions and followers, takes the next step. और उसको देख के, there's another person following the trend, takes the higher step. We are coming to that. So the famous बनने का दो उपाय हैं. I'll give you those two upays. When you are doing something good for the society, समाज के लिए अगर अच्छा कुछ करो, तब जाके अगर people views you, recognizes you, follows you, subscribes you, then you're famous. So this is famous. And in famous is another word, this is a definition है. When you are viewed, subscribed, followed, recognized for the wrong things that you are doing. Please, you make reels. You present yourself on online media, no problem with that. That is what they are for. But with your self-respect on. Understand, self-respect means everything. The next drug or the harmful trend we're going to talk about is online gaming. Gambling is a tendency to earn money, Aman, without working hard by chance. Dark, notorious people who give you ready money. They keep a track. कौन खेल रहा है, किसके पास पैसा नहीं है. They keep a track. They will invariably contact you. ओ 50 लाख लगेगा, एक दिन में दे देगा. कौन देता है भाई, एक दिन में 50 लाख बोलो दे देगा. And they'll be after your life. This is no story. This is the mafia connection with all these online games. He had 3 sons. My bade papa, my Jetu, my Dadu Dalika son, his name was Monuji Chakraborty. My father's name was Nityananda Chakraborty, Dr. Nityananda Chakraborty. I lost my father some days back. You know, when I was coming, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning to catch the flight, and I suddenly felt that Baba is telling me, hey, go, Bobby, go. So you can understand my mental condition, yet I'm shouting for you. Love your parents, you know, till they're there. Love them like hell. Because once they go into people, and he started from the 7th grade. वही आके उसको बोला, आशीष एक फूट मार, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. वही एक फूट से कब 100 फूट बन जाता है हम लोग. Read the 3rd line. I am the king of my mind. So एक साथ. I am the king of my mind. Instructions, and he followed it so perfectly. I'm really impressed.
So AC 424 424 at Presidency School, Bilikahale comes to an end, and well, it was a near stampede at the end. I share the same feelings. My feelings are mutual also, dear soldiers. Even I didn't want to leave y'all. You said that y'all said that I must return to the school once more. I will definitely do so. Till then, keep the second option in mind कि भैया की बात एक बार सुने तो सही और ज़िंदगी में इस्तेमाल करे तो सही. I wish all of y'all the best things to come up in your life and your career. And lastly, I am the king of my mind. Love you all.